Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Well, you haven't seen any Broncos like this on our website, but I tell you what, this is one of the best ones you'll find. This is an uncut original sheet metal Bronco. It's been body off the frame restored. It's beautiful. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs. You can study 100 pictures top to bottom and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 1970 Ford Bronco. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. It's not the usual Camaro and Chevelle that I'm used to. And this one's a sweetheart. It lived in Colorado its entire life up until recently. I got it from a very sophisticated collection of cars, a very high-end collection of cars down in Georgia is where I acquired it from. And the minute he sold it to me, he already regretted it. But anyway, underneath, and there's a lot of information on our website, underneath the body was removed from the chassis. The chassis was completely restored. It's a semi-gloss black. Everything's new. The nuts and bolts and hardware and fuel lines, brake lines. The entire brake system's completely rebuilt. It's got a new correct single exhaust system. The bottom of the body, again, uncut original metal. They prepped and cleaned it, sprayed it with a black bed liner, so it's nice and durable. When they reunited the body to the chassis, it has all new bushings, of course, but the front and rear suspension completely rebuilt. All the components, bushings, shocks, all that is new front to back. It's the manual 3-speed transmission, completely rebuilt. The clutch, throw-up bearing, the transmission mounts. Again, the list is long. It's all on our website under the specs of the car. The body, finished in grabber blue. It's got a slick finish. I'm looking in the hood here, and it's like looking into a blue mirror. I see our rafters like it's a mirror. The grille is all restored. Even the Ford letters are painted. New headlight bezels, new chrome bumper with the little bumperettes. The wheels are powder coated. Those must be reproduction hubcaps because they're mint. It has the worn hubs right here. You lock in and out. It is 4-wheel drive. It does have KYB gas shocks. It's got new tires. Of course, it has this white down below, which really makes it pop. New mirrors, new windshield, new frame around the windshield, new wiper arms, all new window seals and weather strips. The door handles, they got a slight wear. They're like a 9 out of 10. This was an optional. The rear spare tire, swing away wheel, that's optional. It has it. It's on the Marty report. We have that for this truck. This license plate bracket is new. The bumper is new. Tail lights are all new. Looks like these gaskets are new. The hardtop's in excellent shape. This is crystal clear glass. Can't say it's new because it has a tiny little mark here or there. It has the optional dual fuel tanks, and it has factory optional skid plates. There's a skid plate protecting the fuel tank. And that's on the Marty report as well. New emblems. A real nice white interior. Of course, this top does come off. The windshield does fold down. It looks like there's a piano hinge all the way across here, so I'm assuming that folds down. Said I haven't had these before, so I'm learning. Figure why not start with the best? This motor compartment is detailed. It's a beautiful motor compartment. This is as nice as any car I've got in there. It's a completely rebuilt 302 motor. Rebuilt auto light carb. This has its original, it was an option, the oil bath air cleaner, and it's all there, even the heat riser tube going down to the manifold, even the sticker on top. Everything in here is new. Even the hardware kit. It's all stainless steel nut and bolt hardware kit he bought for it when he did that. The locks are new. The lock actuators. Has a sliding window on this side, and it's standard on the other side. This latch mechanism's new. I gotta make sure it doesn't hit the wall. This handle's new. Got a mat here that folds down over the tailgate. Yeah, looks like we're gonna clear. So all new rubber mat kit through the whole thing, and it's custom molded and formed over the rear wheel wells. The whole inside of the truck is painted this grabber blue. Inside the fenders, the doors, it's all blue. Has the rubber mat, reproduction mat, says Bronco right on it, going over the floor. New gas pedal, new pads on the pedals. The dash is uncut. Normally these old Broncos and trucks, they got holes drilled in them for different things over the years. It's not drilled, it's not cut. It's in beautiful shape. The dash pad is mint. Getting back in here though, a new power steering system, the shroud, the hoses, the radiator, the coil, the master cylinder, everything looks new. It's all new wire harness with an updated fuse block with the push-in fuses. The battery bolt-down kit with the cables is new. The voltage regulator, the alternator. Beautiful in here. Every component I look at looks new. The white interior is beautiful. The upholstery front and back matches. It's in excellent shape. It has the Igloo cooler that fits right between the seats. Little Igloo cooler. I don't know how rare that is, but I think it's pretty cool. It has the optional throttle, manual throttle lever. You got seat belts front and back. They're all matching. Why don't we fire it up? Oh, it's got the optional hardboard headliner, they call it. That was an option. The visors. Even got the interior nut and bolt kit. It has this thing on the dash. It has, I think it tells you when you're level. Not sure how it works or if it works, but it looks like a neat old feature. Dash is painted nice. The speedometer and gauges look pristine. There's a switch here for the switching the two fuel tanks. The headlight dimmer switch is new. Armrests are new. That just runs smooth as can be. I said it before, but everything I look at looks brand new in here. You can look down low. It's fresh. The jack is all restored. These are just so popular because they were work vehicles. People can associate with them. They have memories with them. I was just reading up a little bit. They're a little more desirable than the Jeep because they're just a little more comfortable inside. And I guess they're a little narrower and shorter from what I read. So in the trails, it just made it that much easier. All the gaskets on the tailgate here are new. I just don't want to hit that wall. Yeah, I'm starting to understand why people like these. This thing's pretty cool. I'd love to go taking this for a drive. So there you have it. Shuts nice. Just a quality vehicle throughout. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I gave you my honest impression of this vehicle. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They'd be happy to help you. They will also make the financing, the delivery, and all the paperwork real easy for you as well. You can find them at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, I appreciate that. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.